never rush the rump. The cleaner side is the head and shoulder, where quills are shorter and control is better. The scrub stirs, a thick shape turns, spines rise and rattle. She holds ground, weight forward, eyes fixed. The space between them closes. The fight is about to begin. She circles, and the world narrows to a ring of dust and breath. The porcupine turns with her back always presented. Spines lifted like a moving barricade. And every opening she imagines closes with a hard pivot and a shove. She grunts, twists inside loose hide, tears free. Next pass, faster,